Hello everyone, my name is Rudin VS. Welcome to my channel Tech Marais. Today we will be unboxing Gorillapod. For those who don't know what Gorillapod is, it is a mini tripod of about 10 inches height. Let's get to business. Start unboxing. This is Gorillapod, and luckily I've got an extra pair of action camera mount and smartphone mount. So this is our Gorillapod. I've purchased this from Amazon for rupees 599 and it got delivered to me within 2-3 days. The link for this product will be in the description. If you want to purchase, you can go to that link and get it from there. So what are the pros and cons of this? Let's get to it. The product is very sturdy and you can use this in slippery surfaces also because it has got rubber legs, and before mounting your smartphone, DSLRs or your action cams, you just have to remove this protective screw cover and you have to use this. This is very flexible also, you can turn the legs 360 degrees. Since it is only 10 inches high, it is very travel friendly. One bad thing about this product is the mobile mount came with it. It's actually not so good. So if you are going to dedicatedly use this for your mobile phones, just purchase a new one, a good one, then you can use with this tripod. There are a lot of videos in YouTube which will tell you how to use a Gorillapod. All you have to do is innovate with your situation. So what I have done is coming soon. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, goodbye.